Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll compare Zendesk and Freshdesk ticketing systems in 2026. First, let's look at ticket management. Zendesk offers a clean, powerful interface with custom views, macros, and triggers. It's highly customizable, but can feel complex for beginners. Freshdesk provides a simpler, more intuitive layout with built-in collaboration, features like shared ownership and collision detection. For automation, both are strong. Zendesk has robust triggers and automations that can handle complex workflows. Freshdesk offers automations too, but advanced options like custom roles and time-based triggers are locked behind higher plans. In terms of reporting, Zendesk leads with deeper analytics and custom dashboards out of the box. Freshdesk offers solid reporting, but requires higher tiers for advanced insights. Pricing is where Freshdesk wins. It offers a generous free plan and affordable paid tiers. Zendesk starts higher and charges extra for features like AI and advanced reporting. For customer support, both offer email, chat, phone, and social. Zendesk's AI agent is more advanced, while Freshdesk's AI is catching up. Choose Zendesk for enterprise scale and deep customization. Choose Freshdesk for ease of use and better value. And that's it. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.